So hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this series we're analyzing about the all 8 IPL teams that are going to participate in the Dream 11 IPL 2020 held at UAE. We've already analyzed 5 teams and we have found out their strengths, weaknesses and the best playing 11. And it is time for us to analyze the 6th team. And ladies and gentlemen, so without further ado, let's get started with our today's team. So a brief introduction would be required for every team we have done before. And today's team is Rajasthan Royals. Remember, Rajasthan Royals were the first IPL champions. Yes, 2008 was the year when Shane Warne led the Rajasthan Royals to their first IPL victory in the first year. But since then, Rajasthan haven't had such fair success. They went into the semi-finals and playoffs, but haven't yet got that tinker in their mind. It will be important to see whether they can do something good in this year's IPL. This is their whole squad for this year's IPL. Remember, few players won't be available due to certain reasons. So New Zealand's Ish Sodhi, who was a part of the IPL 2019 team for Rajasthan Royals, will be their spinning coach. He has a vast experience in UAE and will be very vital for the teams. Another big name in the coaching department for them is Paddy Hopperton, the strength and conditioning coach. He has worked for the Indian team and will be looking to make Rajasthan a big team of strengths. The captain Steve Smith, yes, he was there away for 2 years into a ban, but he's come back into Rajasthan Royals team last year and has shown good performance in the international circuit. He will be a key to Rajasthan's success this year. Josh Butler has been a prolific opener for Rajasthan Royals and we will be wanting to see how Josh performs in this year's IPL. Ben Stokes, as you all guys would know, won't be available for the first few games most probably, and it is also to be seen whether he will be available for the next few games. The question mark on Ben Stokes' appearance in this year's IPL. Well, that paves in a way for David Miller in the playing 11, which means David Miller will have to get some extra responsibilities on his shoulder. He will be having to anchor the innings at the end. Obviously, Jofra Archer will also have that tincture because he will be a part of that bowling unit. He will be leading the bowling pact, and in absence of Stokes, he will be playing a huge role. Jaidev Unadkat has recently won the Ranji Trophy with Saurashtra and is looking in all guns blazing. He will be trying to prove his worth in this year's IPL for the Rajasthan Royals. On the other hand, spin will be playing an important condition in UAE. They have got 4 spinners: Mayank Markanday, Rahul Tewatia, Yashasvi Singh and obviously Shreyas Gopal. 4 of them will be leading the pact. Riyan Parag had an excellent season last time around. The youngster will be trying to replicate his form like last year, so that this can get him a chance in the Indian team. And last but not the least, Sanju Samson, who has been associated with this team for many years, will play another key role in the team's success. In the middle order, he will be trying to anchor the innings and putting much pressure on the opponent. Yashasvi Jaiswal, the name most people would know after the under-19 prolific performance he's done in the World Cups. He will be a key to Rajasthan's success and it will be important to see what he does up next. So now we'll be providing you with the best playing 11 of the Rajasthan Royals, guys. So the openers will be surely Josh Butler and Yashasvi Jaiswal. Butler has been with the team for a while and he will be trying to help Yashasvi in the opening 6 overs. In the middle order, we have the 3 players of Sanju Samson, Steve Smith and David Miller. Remember, Miller is in this playing 11 just because we do not know whether Ben Stokes will be available or not. Lower middle order will consist of Riyan Parag. Parag had an excellent season last time, as I had told you, and he will be there to finish off the game. He's got good finishing skills and he's handy with the ball also. Then the spinners will be Markanday and Gopal. Shreyas Gopal will be leading the spin department. He has got a huge success, and in the pitches of UAE, both of the spinners will be important for Rajasthan's success. The pacers at the end will be Jofra Archer, will be leading the pact, and with him will be Jaidev Unadkat and Ankit Singh Rajput. So guys, this was our team for Rajasthan Royals. So the question for you all is, will the Royals end their dry season since the 2008 trophy win, or will it be another dull season for them? Do let us know about your views. And guys, thank you so much for helping us out and watching our videos. So stay tuned with us for more videos as we analyze next 2 teams in a very short while. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.